Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add note to your design on Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened Canva, and first of all, I'm going to open up my design. I'm just going to pick a random design. For example, this one guys. I'm going to open up this thumbnail. Okay, and you can add note to your design guys, just in case if you added your design with your friends, so you can give note. I'm going to scroll down and then you will be able to find tools here and you can select sticky note. Okay, and then I'm going to choose this red note and you can add note. For example, I'm going to add note to my friend, don't change the color. So when your friends or any collaborator open your design, they will see the note and you can place it anywhere. I'm going to place it here, for example. Okay, and we can also draw like this, but I don't need to draw something, so I'm just going to undo. And okay guys, that's all the way to add sticky note to your design on Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.